Hi, welcome to this channel. If you are in a business administration or any program that uses the Pearson platform, MyLab, MyLab Math as part of your curriculum, and you want an easy way to solve the problems, please watch this video till the end. So to start, let's revise some things about the MyLab Math. So this platform uses as a basis this book called Contemporary Business Mathematics with Canadian Application. It has some interesting features and you can do assignments in real time. So what I'm going to do now is present you with an Excel worksheet that I created. So you can do all these math exercises in an easy way. You want to save time and stress. So for example, let's take this chapter: trade discounts, cash discounts, markup, markdown. So we have here the platform, and we have a list of all the problems. In this case is the 6.1, determining cost with trade discounts. So there's in a total 9 exercises from this chapter. So this is the Excel worksheet that I was talking about. So in this Excel sheet, all the exercises from this chapter, not only 6.1, there are 6.2, which is payment terms and cash discounts. Let's check which is the other part. 6.3 is markup, 6.4 is markdown, and the last part of this chapter is integrated problems. So how this Excel sheet works, I'm going to show you. Let's divide the screen. So I'm going to take a few math exercises. So in the first one, what I have to do is just take the values. Please read carefully. Otherwise, if you enter wrong values, this would affect your answer. Even if it is just a decimal, or you have a mistake in putting a period instead of a comma, or I don't know, you will get the wrong answer. So uh, let's change the values. We have in few seconds the answer. Now let's verify if that is the correct answer. We have here a correct answer. Okay, let's try another one. Question 6. Just change the values, and that's all for getting the correct result. If you want to uh, know how to do it, you have in the right part of the problems how to develop all this, or how to uh, track all the procedures. You can do it. So you Basically, you have just to change the values and your exercises are done. And you are going to get 100% each time. So let's do the last one for this part. Even I try to put fractions. So put as the mathematic problem indicates. Some problems are unique, so I don't have to change the values. Just put the answer and we have another correct answer for this exercise. So we can do a lot more exercises, but the video will take long. So what I want to give you is just an overview how this Excel worksheet functions. And if you are interested to get it, I have um, another ones from this chapter and from the chapters ahead. So feel free to contact me by texting me on WhatsApp and tell me if you are interested in getting this Excel worksheet. Thank you.